Hello everyone, today we are checking out the Take Apart toy truck. This is a great gift for the kids 3 to 8 years old. This was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. The packaging highlights additional models from the Guardian of the City series, giving a quick look at the full lineup. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. First, inside the box is your wrench, electric drill. You can control the rotation with the switch, multiple drill bits, your hand drill, and extra toy truck parts. It comes with assembly instructions, and of course your main take-apart toy truck. Everything's sized perfectly for little hands, and the build quality feels solid and no flimsy plastic here. This is the multifunctional drill. You can also put this underneath the truck as the main motor engine in order for it to move. This requires a AA battery to run it, and it's not included. Luckily, our remote has 2 extra battery and didn't have to buy one. Lift the top hatch and you'll find a built-in missile launcher. Press the red button and it fires forward. 2 extra missiles are mounted on the sides for backup. Flip the switch to drive it forward or backward, and kids would love to watch the top hatch open to launch its missiles. It keeps doing this over and over as it cruises ahead, making kids play them super exciting. It's all about hands-on fun. Kids get to explore how pieces connect and come apart, sharpen their focus, and build up those little engineering skills while playing. Most parts can be easily disassembled using the electric drill or hand tool, which makes the process feel like a real construction. And the best part, everything fits back together smoothly, so builds can rebuild it again and again without frustration. It's the perfect mix of play and learning, wrapped in a cool military truck design. If you're looking for a birthday or holiday gift that's both educational and fun, this toy truck is worth a look. It's durable, interactive, and sparks curiosity. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.